Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? If you want to find out how I created this Halloween look, I brought you guys a whole new different me. Yes, this is different. It's in the season for Halloween. You guys know I had to go there. I'm just zooming in so you guys can see the makeup look right now. This is what it looks like. Cat makeup for when you're, you know, you get invited to a party but you ain't got no costume and you need a look. You just do your makeup and your hair. Your look is done. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? As you can see, I already started with this eye. I already started, so I'm gonna go in this eye so I can show you guys how I got the look. Okay, I'm gonna be using this brown. I don't remember where I got it from, but any deep brown like this, if you guys have it, you can always use it. I'm just gonna apply it to my crease. It's while I was sitting here creating the look, and then I thought about you guys, and I'm like,
hello, why don't you just add this creative name to this look, you know? So that's how this look came to be.
And another reason is because my son's school's having a Halloween party, and I don't want to be, you know, having costume on or anything of that sort, so why not just go with my makeup look? Yeah. And then after I'm done with this one, I'm gonna go in with the IMAN EYE-CON look palette, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna be using this color up here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This color where the brush is right here. I'll be using that color almost in the same spot. I'll be using it in my crease and dragging it up. Because this is not the most pigmented shadow in the world. I have to go and add, you know, more layers, like, you know, than I would normally if it was pigmented. Okay, and then I'll be using another brush now. I'll be taking my EYEKO London eyeliner. It's all erased because it's not the best writing because it erased. So I'll be taking that and just go right in my creases, you guys can see. Right there on my crease. And then I'll be taking this up. And then bring it in some more. Don't worry about the mess. Just going in and blending it. And then I'm also gonna go back in the NYX palette, taking the black color. Oh my god, black color right here. That's the one I'll be taking, and I'm gonna apply it right on top of that eyeliner that I just used. And then you want to keep making sure that you're blending. Just blend it in. Okay, and then after you're done with this, there's a trick to this. There's a madness to all of this. Okay, you guys, after you're done with it, you want to go in, take a light concealer. I'm using the L.A Girl PRO concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm gonna apply it directly to my lid, as you guys are seeing. I'm applying it directly to my lid, and then I'm gonna drag it. You want to drag it out, you guys, as further out as possible. Yeah. And if you can't do it with the tip of the concealer, you can always take a brush and just keep going. That's all I'm doing, just making sure there's enough also, you guys. Okay. And then this short eyeshadow brush, it's showing, it's not focusing, you guys. This short eyeshadow brush right here, And then we go in, take the golden color in the NYX Dreamcatcher palette and apply it right. You want to apply it right on top of that concealer. You want to drag it out of your tear ducts. That's what I'm doing right now. Now, with this, you guys might not agree with this. If you have, like, you know, glitter glue, you can always use it. But I'm using this duo glue with a fine tip. This is a precise eyeliner brush. And I'm just gonna go in. You guys will see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna go in right here. Just want to make sure it's like I'm applying it. And then taking your glitter brush. The glitter I'm using is by Wet n Wild. This is in the color Brass. That's the one I'm using. I'm just going to take it and apply it right where I applied the glue. This helps the glitter to stay in place. As you guys will see. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing because you don't want to just completely add all of the glue now and then it's gonna dry. You're not gonna be able to work with it. That's the reason you have, and I mean have to do it that way, because it's not gonna be workable once it's dry. And you want to make sure that your eyes are closed so you don't get the glue into your eyes. Taking it again. All I'm doing is taking a spoolie and making sure my lashes aren't laying with the glue. That's all I'm doing, you guys. You are now all done with the glue. Where's my eyeliner? Again, it just disappeared. Now what you're gonna do is go in and just trace this little part out with the eyeliner. I completely forgot to tell you guys. The eyeliner I'm using is by EYEKO London, but the words are erased on it, so I can't really tell you guys. And then you want to go just making sure everything is perfect. You know, you need it to be perfect. And you're gonna go right here. I'm gonna go in my bottom lash line and apply the eyeliner also. And that's how you take care of the eye, because the glitter is freshness. If there's glitter on the black, you can always take the eyeliner like you see I'm doing right here. Glitter is getting on the black. I'm just gonna go in and adjust it. All I'm doing is going in my upper lashes. Yes, guys, you want to do this part too. Well, you can do it or you can't. Just, it's all up to you if you want to do it. Your face or contour or however they say it. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. Where's the brush I'm looking for? For my nose, I'm using this palette by Black and Radiance. I'm gonna go ahead and take the darker color right here and start with my nose. I'm using this medium angle brush.
what you want to do. And then, for around my nose, I'm actually going to use, oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys, this eyeshadow brush. Yes, this is an eyeshadow brush. I'm actually going to use that. You just blend it around the nose also. If you notice, like I just did, the black is coming out from the contouring around your nose. You can just go in and adjust that. Go in. Oh my god, you guys, you see? I just ruined my look. Oh my god. Go in and adjust it. Don't ruin it like I do. Don't ruin it like I just did. Oh. Like I just did. All I'm doing to fix it is taking my foundation, the foundation that I use on my face, to fix it up. You see? So easy to fix. It's nothing, guys. Do not worry yourself. Oh, that. Okay. See? Oh my god, it fixed. Yes.
I'm taking the NYE Topaz powder. That I was using, I'll be using this Mirabella. Is that how you pronounce it? This Mirabella marker eyeliner, just to adjust everything. Okay. I'm gonna go in the Black and Radiance palette and just use the highlighter and just highlight my cheekbones. As you guys are seeing, there's a hot mess in my mouth. Just go over and clean it. I would suggest using better glue than I did. As you can see, this is not working. Once you start talking, the glue just... I'm not happy. Not at all. It's messing up everything. Just make sure, you know,